Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just another sneak peek of what's to come when it comes to unboxing in the coming weeks and months. Got some majorette cars. Got some Beaveragos and Matchbox in the boxes. Got a couple of majorettes in the boxes. Got a majorette bus. Some more Beaveragos. Some Seiko German diecast. Couple of Hot Wheels Car Culture twin packs. Got the Lamborghini and the muscle cars. Got a Hot Wheels Team Transport. Got a Carorama 3-pack. Got a couple of small Caroramas. Got a Seiko diecast 3-pack. Another 3-pack. Some Matchboxes on the long cards, as well as a Matchbox 5-pack. Got a Schuco, BMW and Porsche. Got a Tomica FXXK Ferrari. Got some mini GTs. Got some Greenlight collectibles. Got some more Greenlight collectibles. Got some Hot Wheels Car Culture series cars. Got some Hot Wheels Boulevard series collections. Got some Hot Wheels on the long cards. Got a Racing Champions vintage. Got a few Rally diecast vehicles. Got some more Hot Wheels on the long card. Got a couple of Auto World cars. And got some Hot Wheels on the short cards. And last but not least, got a couple of Matchbox on the short cards. So please stay tuned. I'll be doing an unboxing of all these cars a little by little as the weeks and months go by. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all.